Kia ora, and welcome to this IT training tutorial video on copying and pasting an Excel chart into Word. Now, if you have a chart and it's been made in any program other than Excel, you can only paste it in as a picture and then format the picture. But if you have data in Excel and you turn it into a chart, you can copy and paste that chart into Word, keeping the ability to format the chart just like you might do in Excel. In fact, the default behavior when you copy and paste means that you can make changes back in Excel or in the Word document. Either will work. So to begin, open your Excel spreadsheet that has the chart in it. Then click on the chart to copy it. Notice that when you've clicked on it, you do see the chart tools appear. That's how you can tell you've got it selected. Now you can copy by using the keyboard Control-C, or you can go to the Home tab and just choose the copy button. Back in your Word document, make a space for the chart to go in and either use Control-V on the keyboard or go to the Paste button on the Home tab. Now in here, I can see in the bottom right-hand corner, I've got 20 seconds before this little clipboard will disappear, and this gives me all of my paste options. I could link it, embed it, or turn it into a picture. The first two will embed the workbook, the second two will link the data, and the last one will turn it into a picture. Turning it into a picture would make it lose all formatting ability, but it would just become a flat picture. However, if it were a really wide chart, this could be a good idea because you could easily rotate it sideways to display it. The other two options are embedding or linking. Linking means that your data is still stored back in the original spreadsheet. It's possible to edit this data, but you have to have the spreadsheet in the same place with the same name in order to do this. If you move it, the link can be re-established, but if you delete the spreadsheet, you'll never be able to edit the data here again. Embedding means you take a copy of the whole spreadsheet and store it in your document. The advantage here is you could never lose access to the data. However, the big disadvantage of embedding is that it means if you have a very large spreadsheet, every time you add a chart, you'll be embedding another copy of the entire spreadsheet into your document. And we've seen this cause serious problems for people where it made their document so big it became unstable. So my advice is to leave it on link unless you have a very small spreadsheet or very few charts to embed. If you want to edit the chart appearance in either way, you click on the chart and you'll see the same chart tools will appear inside of Word. On the Design tab, you can make changes right there to the way your chart looks, and you can also go in and click on Edit Data, and this will, in this case, reopen the spreadsheet where I can go in and make any changes I'd like to the data, and I will see those same changes appear right back here in the Word document. This will happen whether you've linked or embedded the data, but if you've embedded it, that data will be appearing inside of an Excel spreadsheet that is basically buried inside of Word. Okay, that concludes this tutorial video on adding a chart from Excel into your document. Thanks for your attention. Kia ora.